Hello, in this video I'm going to show the hidden sound settings on Google Pixel 10. Okay, so let's open up the settings, and once we are here we need to scroll down a little, and in here we have a lot of things. For example, we have the vibrations and hitbacks. If you are a kind of person who doesn't like to have that vibrations or they are too loud for you, in here you can lower those values, for example, for the notifications and alarms, for example, also the touch feedback and the media feedback, and same thing with the keyboard. If you like those things to be turned off, you can do it right in here. Okay, next thing is the sound patterns. In here, if you want, you can change those things. For example, for the ringtone alert, the notification alert, and the default alarm sound. You can also change them right in here. Below we have the audio things. We have the live caption, which is a pretty cool thing, and it will automatically detect the speech on your device, and it will translate in, it will generate the captions to it. We can enable to use it right in here. Below we can select the languages and translation. Currently we have the English. Of course, you can click on add and download one of those possible languages. Now we need to select the preferred language we want to translate into, currently into English, but in here you can download other languages. Okay, if you want, you can select to hide the profanity. It will be replaced with an asterisk symbol. We have also captions preferences. We can able to show them. We can change the size and its style right in here. And in here you can also select the language. Okay, now let me show you how it works. So I'll launch the YouTube and I'll place some video, maybe the videos on our channel. One of the videos, let's find one of it, for example this one with the keyboard. But first I need to skip the ad.
If you want to reset connections because you cannot connect to your device or something doesn't work, you can easily reset your keyboard. You do it, make sure it's on. So go here, make sure it's on the green side. So if it's on red, then it's disabled. So I'm gonna enable it. Then you need to press keys in a special sequence. So first escape, O.
So as you can see, it's simply registering the voice from the video, and it's converting the words into the text. So that's how this mode works. If you want, you can play with it. For now, I'll turn it off. Okay, back into the settings. My bad, I have closed it. Settings. We have also this partial audio feature. Audio from compatible media becomes more immersive. We can enable it for the headphones and also for the phone speaker for better experience. When you go into the media, we can append the media player or show media on lock screen. If you want, you can turn it off. Okay, and below we have the system sounds and vibrations. We have the dial pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, and tap and click sounds. If you're a kind of person who don't want it because you are annoyed by those sounds, you can of course manually turn them off right in here, and you won't have that problem. And below we have the now playing feature. It's like the Shazam. It will identify songs playing nearby. Simply enable it, and to use it we need to create a widget. So click on add to home screen, and we will be able to quickly enable it, and then it will identify the these songs. In the settings, you can also enchant it. We'll be able to use Google search to identify songs not recognized by your device and provide album artwork. If you want, you can enable it. In here also you have the history of searched songs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.